Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. Have you ever based a decision that you are making on your intuition? Do you ever let your intuition guide you in your life? The basic definition of intuition is to understand something immediately without the need for conscious reasoning. When you fully understand your wants and your needs in life, intuition can be something that you rely on. But what happens when you may not be in sync with what you really want in life? Is it okay to trust or follow your intuition then? Let's dive in. If I asked you what you really want in your life, would you be able to answer this question pretty quickly, or do you think you'd need some time to think it through? So much of the work that I do with my clients is helping them think about what they really want in their lives. They may have been spending their whole life pleasing their children, parents, partner, or even their boss. When this happens, and I ask them what they truly want in their life, they often say that they just don't know, or they never really had the opportunity to think about it themselves, so they're unsure. One of the exercises I do with my clients when they're unsure about what they want in their life is to ask them what they don't want in their life. This response normally comes pretty quickly. It's much easier to know what you don't want, but understanding this will actually help you figure out what you do want in your life. If you'd like to continue listening to the rest of this podcast, I invite you to sign up for my free private podcast, where I do a deeper dive into this topic on the Mastering Your Mindset Moments podcast for high-stress professionals. When you're busy working in a high-stress profession, it's often hard to accomplish what you truly want in your life. This private podcast offers solutions that you can immediately apply to your life so that you can not only achieve your goals, but increase your sense of purpose, satisfaction, and lead a more fulfilling and enjoyable life. You can sign up at financialadventure.com/private to hear about the solutions that I provide on this topic. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.